Medyo maingay lang sa gilid kasi may ginagawa din sa side ng building. Yeah. Hola. Oh, look at that. Rasa.
Refreshing.
Anong sabor sa ano? Sa birria. Birria taco. Naubos mo.
Okay lang.
Ha?
Gutom.
Gutom. Ano lasa?
Lasang taco.
Yung meat.
Lasang bebel gum.
Yung meat.
Parang goat eh.
Kambing yun eh. Oh, sabi siya hoy. Nagusto mo rin eh. So yun nga, tinikman namin yung goat birria again. Sila hindi alam na goat yun. So kinain niya. Kinain naman, hindi man niya alam na goat. And then magta-try naman kami rito sa kabila. Birrialas Iguanas. Birrialas 9 Iguanas. Food trip lang. Doon kami kumain kanina. Lumipat lang kami. Tikim na naman kami rito. Magpuputrip kami. I think they have English na menu. So we're here at Birria Las 9 Pinas. As usual, go.
Estrella or Ultra?
Look, local beer.
Estrella.
Yeah.
Do you wanna?
No, no, thank you.
So this is a goat meat. Want to try? Huh? Try it, see? And this is the tortilla. Estrella. Local beer. Okay, this is a birria. Goat meat. They said it's one of the best goat meat here in Guadalajara. it. Here's this. What? Here, put this. Yan, onion. Then, lemon. What? Local beer. So, kumpara dun sa, compared to the goat birrias dun sa merkado, mas masarap dun, mas malambot. Ito, hindi matigas yung meat niya. Dun sa ano, I think, yung slow cook doon, kaya mas masarap. Ito medyo matigas. Yeah, like this.
Beef or goat?
I'm sorry? Your one.
Beef or goat?
Beef or goat?
Oh, goat.
Goat?
Goat, yeah.
Yeah.
Give me a second.
One more?
Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
That's how they drop it. Ayun, order na yung hila. Anong order mo?
Green mole with pork.
Green mole. Mole is what?
I don't know. Google ko pa. Let's see what it's doing.
How was it? Masarap?
I don't know the sauce.